Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create a design of pricing plans here in Adobe Photoshop, a photo editing program. You can also design in Photoshop, so let's create some panels, each with a plan and their own prices and their features when the viewers click on the plan, and then, they can click on the button that says order now, for example. Let's create a panel. So for a plan, that's to say, click on the rectangle tool, and then let's say if you want to make this one, and then you can even round the corners by dragging this one, just like this, to round the corners. And then let's create another rectangle that will act as the back part of the panel. So create another rectangle just like this, and then afterwards color it with a darker shade of blue, baby blue, that's to say, and then place it just under the layer for the first rectangle, and then you run the corners as well, just like this, and then simply place it here, for example, and then you want to create another rectangle with rounded corners. You simply create one here, place it between the two rectangles that we've created. Let's say if you want to color it with a lighter shade of baby blue, just like this, and then click on OK when you're done. You can also round the corners as well. Drag this one. Pretty easy. Then place it at the center, just like this. You've created a panel for you've created a panel for a pricing plan. Control T to do a bit of scaling. Alright, this will do. This will be a panel for our pricing plan. Let's group it. Not so fast. We're going to, insert the name of the plan. So click on the type tool. Let's say if you want to type basic, just like this, and then you simply change the size to 18. 30. No, 24. Then you change the color to white, just like this. Make sure that the alignment is set to center. Alright, drag the text here. This will be the basic plan. And hold on, it's not so it's too big actually. Let's set the number to 18. And then when you're done, you can create a preset. For example, you want to type free for this one. Make the color black. And then you change the font type to, let's say, black, just like this. And then you increase the size to 24, for example. And then you simply drag it here. And then you can actually type in the features where you can change the text of it as part of the preset. Change the font type to medium, for example, and then you want to type, for example, free of this blank blank blank. No, let's type in free blank 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 blank, and then get blank 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 blank, just like this. Make sure that the alignment is set to left, just like so. Then you can copy and paste it several times. Okay, just like this. And then you want to reduce the font size again, just like this. You want to reduce the font size again, just like this. Then you place it here, and then let's create a a panel that says buy now. So create another rectangle with rounded corners, of course. Actually, you don't have to, you know, hold on. Reduce the stroke amount. You don't, hold on. You don't need to round the corners actually. All right. And then you type in like buy now for this. I mean, get now. And then you change the font size to 12. Make sure that the alignment is set to center, just like this. Put it here. And then you want to make it white. You've done creating a panel, just like this, for the free plan. You can select everything and then you can group it. Control G after you've selected them all by holding the control key while you're selecting all of the elements. And then copy and paste this. Select these. Place it here. And then let's say if you want to type something else for another plan. Advanced. And then you want to add some pricing. For example, $19.99. And then you want to add the dollar symbol as well. Control J for the text, and then you change the symbol to, hold on, no, to the dollar symbol, which is this one, and then you place it here, and then paste it again. No, that's not how you do it. Control J again to duplicate it. Place it here, and then you want to type /MO, which stands for per month, the pricing per month, just like this. Place it here. Then you want to replace this text with buy now, just like so. Then you can, you know, copy this group again. Control V, Control C, Control V. Hold on. Make it disappear first. And then Control V. Hold on. Control C. Control V. Hold on. Oh, okay. Make it disappear at first. Deselect it. Control V. Nope. Alright, Control C. Make it disappear. Control V. That's how you do it. And then for the last one, we're going to rename it Premium, for example. And then you want to change the pricing to $29.99, just like this. Slightly move away the $sign and the /MO. And then afterwards, select them all. And then drag it to the right. And then make the second panel appear again. Just like so. Select the first one. And then you drag it here. And that's how you can create, you know, this design of pricing plans in Adobe Photoshop. So if you want to, you know, put it online, and then you want to, you know, create some, you know, hyperlinks for this section, for these sections, that's to say, so that people can actually be redirected to the link to buy or get the plan. This works. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's a good day. Ciao.